This question might affect your virtual assistant business. Hi there, this is Connie Zabala, your virtual assistant trainer, and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So today, maybe I've shared something similar to this in the past videos, but I have to create it again. You see, I was talking to a fellow VA, and to be honest, most of the VAs that has been in the industry for a very long time would agree with me that this question is very important when starting your virtual assistant business. What is your big why? Most of the time, people ask me how to build your VA business or how to become a VA. And to tell you the truth, finding the how is easier than finding your why. Because how can be found on the internet. You can learn the how, the steps of building your VA business by searching alone. Although it will be slower, it will be confusing for you, or it actually can cause overwhelm as well. So the how is not as much as important as to finding your big emotional why. What do I mean by this? Why do you want to start a virtual assistant business? Why do you want to become a VA? So that's very important. You have to dig deep into your soul, into your heart, into your mind, because the challenges will be surely coming your way as you start your VA business. So what will push you to overcome these challenges? So you have to know your deepest, your biggest why. Why have you decided to become a VA? I just want to remind you about that again, because there are many people asking how to be a VA, but in the middle of their journey, in the middle of their lessons on the training, they quit. So you have to learn, you have to find your deepest, biggest emotional why, okay? If you really want to learn more on how you can be a virtual assistant, just sign up to my masterclass. Go to vamasterclass.conniezabala.com and I'll send you access via email, okay? I hope you find this video helpful, and please do like, make a comment, or share this video, okay? Thank you for watching.